I'm sure we can all agree on one thing. It's very annoying when Spotify adds songs to your playlist. So, how to stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist? Well, it's a very simple tutorial that I'll show you in this video. All you gotta do is give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever regarding the video. I'll try to get back to them in the comment section. So, here are your playlist. You probably have some playlists, and you're wondering, oh, how do I stop Spotify from adding more songs? And there's something that you should know, and it's actually there's a limit of songs that Spotify wants you to have per playlist. Check this out. The limit of fewer than 15 songs is for the like songs playlist. You can replace the recommended songs by adding more tracks yourselves. For the regular playlist that you have, it's possible that you get suggested tracks and artists as you create and edit your playlist, even if you have more than 15 songs. So you still have recommended songs all the time, but the reason why you're having this issue is because you have less than 15 songs in your playlist. So make sure you add a little bit more songs, and Spotify will stop adding songs to your playlist. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next video.